Stop. If you're thinking about buying StreetSpeak AI, you need to watch this video first. Because this new AI tool claims it can turn simple street-level ideas into money-making content using AI, and if that's true, it could be a game-changer for beginners. But here's the real question: is StreetSpeak AI actually worth your money, or is it just another AI hype tool? In this honest StreetSpeak AI review, I'll break everything down: what it does, who it's for, the real pros and cons, and I'll also show you how to get my $497 bonus bundle for free. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're interested in making money online with AI, creating content faster, or leveraging trending ideas without complicated tech, this review is going to help you decide whether StreetSpeak AI is right for you. No hype, no fluff, just a clear, honest breakdown. So what exactly is StreetSpeak AI? StreetSpeak AI is an AI-powered content and idea generation platform that helps you turn real-world, everyday language and trends into engaging content, scripts, and monetizable ideas. Instead of struggling with what to post, what content converts, and what ideas people actually relate to, StreetSpeak AI uses AI to translate street-level language into high-engagement content that you can use for videos, social media, affiliate promotions, short-form content, online offers, and yes, it's designed to be beginner-friendly. Key features and benefits: here are the main features, and why they matter if your goal is make money online with AI. AI-powered idea and content generator. StreetSpeak AI helps you generate content ideas, hooks, scripts, captions, and talking points. All based on language people actually use, not robotic AI text. Relatable, high-engagement language: this is the big difference. Instead of boring, generic AI content, StreetSpeak AI focuses on conversational language, relatable phrases, content that feels natural and human, perfect for YouTube, Shorts, Reels, affiliate videos. Beginner-friendly dashboard: no learning curve. Just enter a topic, choose a format, generate content instantly, and no tech skills required. Multiple monetization use cases: you can use StreetSpeak AI for affiliate marketing, content creation, YouTube videos, email marketing, social media growth, personal brand building. One tool, many income opportunities. Time-saving AI automation: what used to take hours of brainstorming can now be done in minutes, allowing you to create more content faster. Honest pros and cons: let's be honest, no tool is perfect. Pros: very beginner-friendly, creates natural, human-sounding content, great for AI plus MMO niche, saves massive time, works well for video scripts and hooks. Cons: works best when you give clear prompts, not designed for technical writing, best suited for marketing and content, not research-heavy topics. If your goal is engagement plus monetization, the pros clearly outweigh the cons. Who should use StreetSpeak AI? StreetSpeak AI is perfect if you are a beginner trying to make money online, an affiliate marketer, a content creator, someone using AI to scale content, anyone who struggles with ideas and hooks. If that sounds like you, keep watching. If you grab StreetSpeak AI using my link below, you'll get my exclusive $497 bonus bundle absolutely free. Here's what you get. Bonus 1, StreetSpeak Prompt Vault, $97, 50 proven prompts to generate viral hooks, scripts, and monetizable content. Bonus 2, Faceless AI Video Blueprint, $77, step-by-step system to turn AI scripts into faceless YouTube and Shorts videos. Bonus 330 High Converting AI Hooks, $67, hooks designed to stop scrolling and boost watch time. Bonus 4, AI Affiliate Monetization Guide, $97, Learn how to monetize AI-generated content with affiliate offers. Bonus 5. DIY Canva Thumbnail Templates, $67, High Center Thumbnail Designs for Review and Content Videos. Bonus 6. Email Swipes for AI Plus MMO Offers, $47, ready-to-use email templates to promote AI tools. Bonus 7. AI Content Repurposing Guide, $45, turn one AI idea into multiple income-producing content pieces. Total bonus value, $497, free with your purchase. So, is StreetSpeak AI worth it? If you want a simple AI tool that helps you create relatable, monetizable content faster, then yes, it's worth checking out. And when you combine it with my $497 bonus bundle, this becomes a very smart move for anyone serious about making money online with AI. Click the link in the description now. Grab StreetSpeak AI, unlock my bonuses instantly and start creating AI-powered content today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next review.